Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. In our today's video, we will be talking about conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. In just 5 minutes, you will master this powerful tool that allows you to format your data based on specific conditions. Conditional formatting is a feature in Excel that lets you format cells and their data based on the conditions you specify. To create a new rule, select the cell range you want to format, then click on Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog, you can select the rule type. For example, let's pick Format Only Unique or Duplicate Values. Now, configure the rule by selecting your preferred formatting like a yellow background color and click OK. Your formatting rule is applied. Need to clear a formatting rule? Select the cell range, go to Conditional Formatting and choose Clear Rules. You can clear rules from selected cells or the entire sheet. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-F. Here's a cool feature. You can format cells based on the value of another cell. Step 1. Select your range and go to the conditional formatting. Step 2. Choose a rule type like greater than. Step 3. Select the cell you want to base the rule on and apply your desired effects. If you want to remove a rule, step 1. Go to conditional formatting. Step 2. Choose clear rules. Step 3. And select the rule you want to delete. You can also clear rules from selected cells or the entire sheet. And there you have it, folks. A quick guide to conditional formatting in Excel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.